Just wanna be with you.
Home. Yeah, I finally made it down here to do my run right off the ocean in a different spot. When we came down here last December, I said this is a spot I want to run, and it only took me 4 months to get here, and it's beautiful. A lot of activity out here. Yeah, I did do 4 miles this morning, but there's always miles to be had. And then where we going? Signature punch boxing. There's always work to be done.
I would like to volunteer to take this old bird out of her misery.
Cletus, did I say something like that about mama?
No, you ain't gotta protect me from Cletus. Come on, Cletus. Come on. Come on here. Come on in. Let's show go. Come on. Then you gonna limp back. You walk over, but you limping back. Don't let the gray hair fool you. I ain't no easy way, nigga. I'm college. Me and your grandfather was college. Next thing you know, he's on top of me and
So I just had to break into my damn gas thing. It wasn't popping open. So, that's something I gotta fix. I had to rip that thing off and then fucking damn near plow that thing out of there. Yeah. Been here at the tryouts. They ain't get stuff started just yet. At Lugo's boxing gym here in Marietta, Georgia. So the way they said they breaking it down is 6 rounds of cardio, then switch to 6 rounds on the bag, and then after that we got 1 mile to run. Then we sparring after that. So they say the sparring for last, see what you got left in the tank. Smooth little spot, man. We gonna definitely put in the work, get that experience, different exposure, and coming for that bag, man. So we still out here at the TCL Team Combat League tryout. I had 2 matches already. I think I'm advancing pretty good. I fought twice. I got stars by my name. The opponent that I fought does not. So I think that I'm advancing. So we gotta let the heavyweights go around. It's kind of crazy, man. They said from 10 to 3. We still here, man. It's 5 p.m. and we still got time to go. So he said, go ahead and relax, unwrap, go get something to eat if you need to. There's gonna be about another hour or so before I get back in. So we'll see how the rest of this go, man. It's crazy. And they got the heavyweights about to go in now. That one, he's a Marvel character right there. That boy in there heavy as hell. Yo, tapping in. It's Marlon Slicey. We here, day 2 of the tryouts last day. Atlanta tag team on Team Combat League. Man, I had 1 fight today. I got 1 more. And this next fight, coach told me it's my last fight. Do what I gotta do on here, then I'm on the team. So You know, I don't know what place it'll be, you know, whether it's first, second, or third, but I'm doing my thing. I got one more fight left. Put these hands out and stand out and get these fans, you feel me? So we here, man, we working. It's a hell of a day, but I'm doing what I gotta do.